Hi there, this is Ashik once again before you. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to create ACF in Elementor. And I need three plugins. One is actually Elementor, second one is actually ACF, that means Advanced Custom Fields Pro plugin. Then I need WP Snippet or Code Snippet plugin. This is the WP Code Lite. I need this one. Then I need this Advanced Custom Fields Pro. Okay, for the time being I don't have the latest version, I'm using the old version. And if you need it, then you can use the GPL version of it. Okay, it's free GPL version, but if you want to purchase, if you want the latest version, then you have to purchase the license key from their website. So let's see how to create it. So first of all, we need to just go to the codes custom fields. Then let's click on fields group. After clicking on here, as you can see, I need it for product. So if I just show it to you, then let's go to the products, open it in a new tab. Then here is actually my products. Okay, here's my product, this one. I want some repeater fields under this one. Okay, let's make it first. This is the pro service. I need to just click on edit. Then for the time being, I want to make it as a presentation that will be level left aligned. Now if I just refresh the page, okay, it's become something like this. Okay, perfect, cool. Then I want to create the first. I need what will I get, right? What will I get feature? What will I get feature? So let's go to the fields, and here I need to click on SCF fields. Then there will be repeater. Let's select this one, and here the repeater name will be what will I get? What will I get? Get. Let's click on here. This is our field name. I need it must. Then fields. I can use just one fields. Okay, because you know what, Elementor is actually not support the repeater fields. That's why I we need some custom codes, and that's why I recommend you to uh, add subfield just one. Okay, so here will be the what should I say, what will I get? I just take this one as a field name. Then there will be item. Okay, okay, then I'm writing in here item. Okay, what feature item? This is the feature item, features item. Okay, items. Okay, now we need the important feature is actually this one, field name, and this is actually subfields. We need the subfields name and the parent fields name. Okay, let's just copy this one, just copy this one. Sorry. Okay, so after copying this one, we need to just we have the WP code plugin. We need to just add a new snippet. Okay, sorry, let's save it. Okay, let's go to, we have just added this one. If I just go to the products, then I can see this features item is actually showing. If I just click on here, let's add a new one, super fast delivery. Then after sales support. Then let's add a new one, 24/7 support system provide discounts for premium clients. Okay, now I want to just click on update. Okay, this is the actually repeater field. We can add unlimited row in here. Okay, now I just go to the code snippet and let's add a new snippet in here. Add new snippet. Let's use it. Add a custom code. Then the name will be this one for understanding these things. What will I get? Repeater. Oh, sorry. We can write something like this. Repeater failed. What will I get? Okay. Then we need to just make it a PHP snippet. Now you will get a link in my description or something like this. You can just type https devs office. Okay, devsoffice.com. This is our website. You can get the link in here. Now we can do what? Here is actually php code. We need to just copy this one and we need to just paste it here. Then here the most important part is actually the shortcode. You can change your shortcode name, like I can change the shortcode name. Show what what will I get. This is my shortcode name. I need to do what? I need to make the same thing. Okay, just copy this one. No, don't copy. The same thing I need to write. It has show. Okay, then we need to transform, make the hyphen into underscore, like show what, then will, then I, then get. Okay, now we need to copy this one. DNLT, show what will I get, the same thing. Now copy this one and we need to just paste it here. Okay, perfect. Then the repeater field is actually feature. We need to go to the field, ACF field. Then our ACF field, let's refresh this one. It's actually the old tab. Okay, this is the one. It's actually the parent one, parent repeater field. We need to just copy this one. Okay, let's copy this one. What will I get? I told you that it's very important for me. Repeater field, this is the repeater field, and the sub field, we need to just copy the sub field. This is our sub field and this is the name. Copy, and we need to just paste it here. Great. Now here if you scroll up, sorry, let's test it now. Inactive, sorry, active, and save snippet. Great. Now where I want to show it, this is our shortcode. Let's copy this one, and if I just go to my pro service, here is actually shortcode. I just search the shortcode field and drag it and dropped it in here. I need to just paste the shortcode in here. First I need to put this type of bracket, then boom, you can see it's actually showing. Okay, now we need to what should I say, we need to style it. Like I don't want the list. Okay, I want to add the check mark. So if you know the css, then you will design it very well. Now I need to do what? I'm just going to scroll down. Here is actually in ul content, then ul. Okay, you can see the repeater css. This is our class name. You can change it for, if you want to create like a three repeater field, then you every, if you want every repeater field css will be different, then you can change it. Okay, it's totally up to you. Like you can change one or two or three or anything else, then you will change its style. Then for the time being I'm using repeater css. Then scroll, update this one. Then we need to install, add a new code snippet also. Okay, add a new snippet. This will be repeater css. Then the name will be what will I get, so that I can understand later very well. What will I get? Code type will be css snippet. Then you will just scroll down, and here you will see some css code. Just copy this one and just paste it here. Then make it active, then save snippet. Now if I just refresh this page, then you can see it's actually showing very well. Great. You can change this one from here, the icon. If you use laptop Windows 10, then there will be a shortcode like Windows then V, or Windows V or Windows Z. Then maybe you will see many emojis are here. You can select a one. Great. Now I want to create another one for this one. Okay, for why why choose us, this section. Okay, this will be why choose us. Sorry, why choose us. So let's create a new one. Great. Go to the code snippets again. We need to just here, what will I get? Repeater field. Okay, let's, this is actually the PHP one. Okay, let's filter this one. PHP filter. Okay, repeater field. What will I get? Let's duplicate this one. Just edit this one. Here I need to just why choose us. Why choose us. First I don't want to active this one. I just click on update. Great. Now I want to add a new repeater field again. Let's duplicate this one, and here I am just going to change this one. Why choose us. Okay, this one, and I want to change it also. Why choose us features item. Then I want to keep it same, but I want to change the name. Why, sorry, choose us item. Great. I want to just save it. I want to add some features in here also. Scroll down. As you can see, here is actually showing 24/7 support. Why choose us button. Okay, let's, it's a test. Great. Now we need to just come in here. This is why choose us section. We must need to change our shortcode. Okay, here I will write why choose us. Let's write why choose us, something like this. I just copy this one and this one also. I just okay, try to keep the show this one. Okay, just change the last word y chooses, then the repeater field name. I need to copy the repeater field name, this one is actually the first one, and we need to take this one also for subfields. Okay, then let's copy the shortcode active and update this one. Okay, go to the page where you want to put, then use this shortcode. Great, now update this one. If I just refresh the page, I can see it's also showing, and I have the same css code. That's why it's showing css class. That's why the same is actually showing. So that's it for now. You can use repeater field something like this way. So thank you so much, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.